It's Rachel and Alice. We're going to do a quick unboxing. I had planned to do a full unboxing of the Tribe Beauty box for this month and then one of the mystery bags, the paparazzi bag. We've tried about 4 times to do this video and this little one is getting antsy, and so I'm just going to do the mystery bag for tonight. It is Vlogmas day 14, by the way, so thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't watched yesterday's video, I announced our winner. Please go to that if you have not seen it. I'm still waiting to hear back from our winner so that I can send them the palettes, but this is what the mystery bag looks like. This came off Tribe Beauty. It was $17, I think $99. Unfortunately, this particular one is sold out, but they do have some other ones and everything. I will do the Tribe Beauty actual makeup box unboxing either tomorrow or Sunday, just so you guys can take a look at it. She's a little upset because I got a little upset about the last video. So, can you say hi, Alice?
Hi.
Yeah, we're going to do movie night after this. We always do movie nights on Fridays or Saturdays if I'm not working overnight. So she's been waiting and 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 waiting. So anyway, let's get into this. So this is supposed to be having a $90 value. They did announce some of the different products that they were going to put in there. Not the actual products, but the companies of the products. I'm sorry if I'm a little sniffly sounding. I do have a tad small cold. So anyway, the first thing I saw here was this. This is the, it's a little phone pop holder thingy. I'm not going to use this. Apparently on their website, this is worth $5. It says, I rep my TBB tribe. And, honey, can you not do that on the camera, please? And, yeah, I don't use this on my cell phone because of the way my cell phone is set up. I use a flip case. This would drive me absolutely nuts. Baby, $5. So I think this product is probably also worth $5. This is the pressed eyeshadow pan for Makeup Geek in the color Aphrodite. Oh, excuse me. I'm so sorry. I'm having such a disaster taping these, and if it were not for Vlogmas, I would not be taping a video tonight, and I don't have time to edit this, so you guys are just going to get my messy video, and I apologize. It will be better after today. Hopefully, if I'm not getting worse with my cold. Okay, so let's look at this single eyeshadow. I'm not a huge fan of getting single eyeshadows, but I do have a magnetic palette that I'll pop this in. So it is a kind of a brownish shade with maybe... This is going around in the entire house, unfortunately. My husband's sick. My daughter's sick. The baby is not sick, but the baby just had surgery yesterday. So all of us have issues in one way or another. But this is like a warm brown shade right there. You can see here. It's a nice shade. I will reach for this if I'm going to my singles. I probably won't reach for it much. I can't imagine this being worth more than $5 at the most. So I'm a little disappointed that they put this in here, but whatever, you know. I feel like we get these in our Ipsy bags and stuff a little bit more frequently. So I just, in a mystery bag, I'm kind of not excited to get these. All right, putting this back up here so I don't lose it. Next thing in here is the balm. We knew we were getting something from the balm. This is the Read My Lips lip gloss infused with ginseng. Look at that packaging. It is so adorable. It looks like an old comic book strip. Their packaging is just always adorable. And this is in the color Snap. All right, this is what it looks like. Kind of looks like baby brown poop. Baby poop. I can't talk today either. This is what the wand looks like. It's just a typical doe foot, and this is what it looks like on my hand. Now, I have tried this on, and at first, yes, baby, right there. I was a little concerned, but it doesn't look that bad on my lips. I'm just putting it on here. It does feel really nice. It is very hydrating. And for it being a baby poop brown, I don't think it's bad. Excuse me while I wipe my nose here. Oh, my Sudafed is wearing off. But this is actually nice. When I first saw this color, I was a little disappointed. I was like, ugh, another like brown lip gloss or lipstick or lip whatever I'm not going to use, but in a gloss it actually doesn't look bad. Like, it's probably not a color that I would have picked out myself, but I don't think it looks horrible, and I will probably use it. It's a lip gloss. So all right, that is that. Hey sweetie, can I sit you right next to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, all right. Okay, sorry about this. My nose is really running up a storm. Next product here is the Masquerade Let's Face It. So this I knew was coming in a Masquerade product. They also have really beautiful packaging. This is a purifying cleansing stick with red beet. And it says so fresh, so clean, si frais, and si propre. I don't know. I think that's French. And I'm losing my French. But anyway, I used to speak French back in the day. So this is a really adorable packaging. So it says, let's face it. And then you see the little girl on there. And you're supposed to apply to face in a swirling motion on wet skin. And then, yeah. Oh, it smells really good. It has like a citrusy scent to it, and then it's like a full stick. I have another stick cleanser I haven't used yet, but this is really nice. I'm gonna have to definitely try this out, and I love the smell of this. So this is a really nice thing to get in a mystery bag. All right, and then the final two items here. This is a Crown 3-piece Pro Brush Trio. I do love myself some Crown brushes. I don't have this particular model of theirs. Their brushes can be really expensive, or the brushes can be really cheap. My daughter's doing weird stuff here, but anyway, this is what they look like. These feel very thickly packed, so I think these are probably a little bit nicer. This is like a powder brush, and then this is, I don't really know what this type of brush would be used for. I guess maybe more for like a blush or a highlighter, something like that. But I always love brushes. And they've got this very like hot pink tip with the white aesthetic on them. So these are not bad. I can't imagine that these would actually, if you were to buy these from Crown, if you'd spend more than like 10 bucks, but we'd see. I don't know. They didn't give me a card to say what the value of all these would be. And then the final product here is the So Susan. I have actually never tried anything from So Susan. I've been curious about this brand. I believe it's a vegan and cruelty-free brand. But this is, let me open it up here. It says on here what this is. It is a white truffle extract highlighting pencil. So it's got this like pinky color, which is nice instead of just being a pure white. And that's what it looks like. So actually for my skin tone, this will be kind of nice. So yeah, that is my mystery bundle. I think these two things are a tad bit lame, but I'm not unhappy. I do think I got my $17 worth. I know Masquerade products are very expensive. I'm sure this was at least $10 to $15. The Balm products are very expensive as well. Maybe $20, I wouldn't be surprised. Brushes, and then, you know, each one of these is probably $5. So I think I got my $17 worth. I did get this on a 10% discount. So, you know, I spent maybe $15 for this. So not unhappy, but anyway, thank you guys. I'm sorry this video is such a hot mess. I am going to now go have mommy and daughter time and go watch a movie and relax, and I will try to get to the other videos tomorrow when I have a little bit more time to really edit and make my videos pretty. So this has been the challenge with Vlogmas, is I have to do these videos, get them up, try to do some sort of thumbnail in a reasonable amount of time, and I still have things like taking care of the kids and working and doing everything, and it's definitely a lot of work. It's a challenge, and I don't think I will probably become a daily blogger or a daily vlogger or daily whatever after this. I think I will go back to my like 2 videos a week after this Vlogmas. But anyway, thank you everyone for watching. Give it a big thumbs up. Leave me comments below. Please, 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 if you have not looked at that video, if you entered, please make sure that you are not my winner. And as always, I will see you guys later.